What's going on, guys? Garetz here, and I'm super excited about today's video because I'm going to show you this new, crazy, simple way to promote ClickBank products in 2020. And I say it's perfect for beginners, but truly this is perfect for anyone who wants to start making ClickBank sales fast. And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this. So make sure you watch the entire video so you don't miss a single step. So without wasting any more of your time, I'm going to hop right into the video, but just make sure if you're excited to smash that like button. Let's get into the video. All right, so the first step, of course, if you're going to do anything on ClickBank, you need a ClickBank account. So what you would do is go to clickbank.com and then create an account. All right, so that's very simple. And then what you want to do is you want to go to affiliate marketplace. And if you're kind of confused, like what's ClickBank, what's affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing, you're just the internet middleman, right? So you're providing someone a product that isn't yours, but when someone purchases that product through your affiliate link, you get paid a commission. And ClickBank is just a hub for other people's affiliate products. All right, so it's very powerful. And I truly believe affiliate marketing is the best business model for beginners, truly anyone starting online. So again, this is what I do on my channel. Definitely subscribe if you like this kind of content. But now, so you see these categories right here, right? Maybe I'll zoom in so you can see better. This is where you would pick a product. The best thing about this strategy specifically is that you don't really need a certain niche. Like you don't have to stay in a certain niche because it works in every niche and you can do it in every niche, okay? So what I suggest is just going to one of the more profitable niches, which the three most profitable niches are health, wealth, and relationships, but pretty much any niche fits in there. And I would just start with something maybe like health and fitness, right? So I'll just click that. And then you could go to popularity, or I like to do gravity. And what gravity means is the most people are having success promoting that product. So basically it's selling. So right here, Lepitox, the highest gravity ever of any ClickBank product. So that's a great product. And I would focus on a lower initial sale or front end offer, right? So this is insane because it's 557 gravity, like that's just crazy, right? So I would definitely test out this product, but you could go with Cinderella Solution, any of them. The product isn't really as important as the strategy, right? Any product can sell, but you need a good strategy, and that's what I'm about to show you. So step one, after we pick a product, is you gotta hit promote, right? So let's say we're doing Lepitox. So I'll hit promote, and your account nickname, you'll have one after creating an account. If you're logged in, actually it will show up here, but mine's Garetz. So we'll do that, and then we'll hit generate hop link, okay? So we'll just click this little clipboard and copy it. Now, what you wanna do before giving your link to anyone or posting it anywhere, you need to shorten that link because it's super ugly. So you can go to tinyurl or bit.ly, doesn't really matter. You just wanna shorten your link by posting it right there, clicking shorten. All right, so now this is our link. It's way better looking than that. So I'm gonna copy that. And for now, just for simplicity, I'm just gonna post it right in here so I have it. You could post it in a notepad, whatever, it doesn't really matter. And then we're gonna go to Facebook, all right? So this strategy, no one is talking about this. Check this out. So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go to groups, okay? You can see I have my own group right here. I'll put a link in the description. That's to my simple affiliate marketing group. Definitely check that out, shameless plug. But that's not what we're looking for right now. What we're doing is we're gonna, if you don't know what the product is that you're promoting, you're gonna wanna go into the product. You're gonna wanna watch the video, read up onto it, and just see what it's all about. You can see right here, prefer to read, right? And then you can see kind of what it's about. So I know that this is like a weight loss product. It's like a diet pill, okay? So what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna find groups related to that, okay? So we're gonna do like weight loss, right? So we're gonna type that in, and I don't know why that happened. We're just gonna go to groups right here. Okay, so what you wanna do is you wanna find a group with like a lot of people, okay? So let's see here. Let's just check out, let's just do this one right here, natural weight loss support group, okay? So what you wanna do is you wanna find the groups that have really good engagement. So right here, this doesn't really seem like the best group, but I'll just show you for example. This one isn't a good example. Let me find a different one. Let's see here. Weight Watchers 35 and under. Okay, so this one is probably better because you can see that it's a private group. So now what you want to do is you want to hit join group, And you definitely want to answer these questions, okay? So when is your birthday? 8/22/1992. Not currently. I want to lose weight. Or something like that. Just answer the question, submit. Okay, then what you want to do is you want to go here and you want to go to the admins. All right, so it's a lot harder to do when you're not joining the group, but basically what you want to do is you want to message the admin. All right, so I'm just going to show you for example, but what you would do is you want to be like, hey, thank you for accepting me into your group. I actually promote a weight loss product that I believe your community would find a ton of value in. And then you would say something like, do you do paid promos in your group? I would be willing to pay for a pinned post. What that means basically is, let me go to my group real quick. So go to Facebook and then go to my group. All right. So a pinned post means it's pinned at the top of your group in an announcement, right? So this is my pinned post, okay? So you click right here and then you can like pin it. So right now it's pinned to the top, right? So what you're doing is you're messaging the admin and you're gonna find a group like this one has 6,000 members. Maybe go for one with more than that, but obviously the fewer members, the cheaper it will be. And sometimes groups with fewer members are more engaged than the bigger groups. But what you want to do is you might want to just try and finesse a cheaper price. Chances are they've never been asked this question, right? So you could get it for very cheap. You know, people do Instagram shoutouts, but not many people do Facebook shoutouts. And Facebook groups are super engaged, right? So even if you just paid for 24 hours pinned to the top, me personally, I would try and go for like maybe a week. Pay like, I don't know, $50 for a week pinned to the top. You want to try and finesse your way to a cheaper price, but this is so powerful, okay? Then what you can do is you can direct link to your affiliate link, but what I personally suggest doing is using a free tool. Well, it's paid, but they actually just created a free plan of ConvertKit. This is my email software, but you can also create landing pages with it. Super powerful. If you can afford the paid plan has a few more options that are actually very important, but the free plan works if you're short on budget right now, okay? So either way, it's up to you, but regardless, whether you use the free or paid plan, what you want to do is go to landing pages, and then you want to go right here, create new. And then instead of forum, you're going to do landing page, all right? Now look at all these beautiful landing pages you can create. And like I said, you can do this for every niche. And with the free plan, you can create unlimited landing pages. So now you're collecting emails, right? So not everyone's gonna buy, obviously. But the thing is, if you direct link to your affiliate link, you're not gonna be able to follow up with these people. So it's insane. This is very powerful, okay? So what you would do is you would just click one of these landing pages, right? And they're super easy to edit. Like right here. Let's go back to this page, the product we're promoting. So we're just going to use this headline. So 5-second hack that kills food cravings. 5-second hack that kills food cravings and melts 62 pounds of raw fat. And melts 62 pounds of raw fat. So what you could do is you could actually like do something like that and then take this and then go ... and then paste that there. And then what you can do is you can change the font size, right? Do something like this. And then you can also change the font size and color of this. So maybe go like, oops, like that, or maybe a little bit bigger. And then change the color, something like that. Bold it, maybe make it a little smaller. It's super easy to edit, right? So you can see how simple it is, right? And you can also change like the form color right here. You can change the content background to white and then change this to white if you want it all white. It doesn't really matter. And then you can say right here, instead of join my newsletter, what you would type is enter your email below to learn how, or to learn the hack, right? And then what you would do here is instead of subscribe, you could do like get instant access. And then you could also change the background color. Oops, that's for the button. You could change the background color for that as well. Maybe go something like red. And then what you could do is go back here, and then for the background, you could go like that, or you can add in a photo right here, choose a background image. I don't really have any that would be good for this. Maybe we'll just we'll choose this one. I don't know. Yeah, so then you could add in the opacity, change the background color, you know, whatever. It's super simple. And then you could add a photo right here as well. Obviously, you'd want to use a different photo for this exact product, maybe some food or some whatever. They have pictures here, like you could use this picture even, right? So it's super powerful and super simple to use. And then make sure you do this, okay? You go to this spot right here, and instead of show a success message, what you're gonna do is redirect to an external page, all right? So that's where we're gonna take our affiliate link, and then we're gonna post our affiliate link right there, all right? And then we're gonna save that, okay? And then instead of having them post your affiliate link in the Facebook post that they pinned to the top, you could just have them link to this landing page instead. Right? So it's super, super powerful. That way you're collecting emails and then you can follow up with them. Okay? The main factor in the free plan versus the paid plan is you don't get automation with the free plan. You can only send broadcast emails, which is fine if you can't afford it, but automation is always more powerful, right? Time is the most valuable thing we have in life, right? So you want to save as much time as possible. And they give you a domain right here if you want to use that one. It's really not a big deal. And the link to your landing page is right here if you hit share, okay? So you can see it'd be different if I didn't have that domain, but you'd want to pick that, click to copy, and then you could shorten this link as well, okay? And then just remember to click save, and you're good to go. But I hope you understand this part of it, and if you have any questions about that specifically, let me know. But back to the Facebook group, all right? So you could also, when you're sending a message like this, you could also just keep it simple, like, hey, instead of saying all that, you could be like, I was curious, oops, not in all caps, be like, I was curious, do you do paid promos at all? And then just see what they say and continue on with the conversation, right? And if there's multiple admins, maybe message them all or a couple or just one. It's up to you. But I would find multiple Facebook groups, join them, and just start messaging these people in the groups, and then do it with different products, right? Some people might charge you very little. Some people might try and get more. Either way. But I mean, look at it. If you're getting $61 per sale and say they charge you 50 bucks or even 25 bucks and you get one sale, you're already ROI positive, right? So I think this strategy is so powerful and just amazing, seriously. And if this isn't the type of strategy you want and you're looking for like more high ticket products, like me personally, I literally woke up this morning with an email. Maybe I'll put it on the screen right here, show you the email. It's $1,000 commission, man. Like, it's insane, seriously. So if you want to learn more about that, check out the first link in the description to start your own high ticket, high profit online business. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, again, feel free to comment down below. And if you want to join me in my Facebook group, that link is in the description below as well. But just make sure to smash that like button, destroy the subscribe button and the notification bell, and just make sure to hit that first link in the description. And that's all I got. I'll see you on the next video.